Okay, for you to join online on your webcam. Okay, class, we continue. Last week we have done, Lucas, I have marked yours one. I forgot to send it back to you. Later, then I send it back to you, your work.
Okay.
So last week we have done the perpendicular bisectors, you remember? Okay, how to get the perpendicular bisector? Let me do some revision with you all before I start to continue the other questions, yeah? So class, remember, whenever you're asked to draw any perpendicular bisector, the line like that, like this, or maybe this way. So to draw the perpendicular bisector, this one no need to draw, just listen to my explanation. You place to one end here. You're not, you can have more than half, more than half. I place, when I explain, listen. I say that you can draw the 2R or you want to draw like the semicircle is okay one there. You can draw like this. Some of you there, I mark your paper already. You can draw via this way, pun boleh. Till the end, end and end. You draw the 2R like that. Okay, so remember, what I need is these two, the 2 point. So then, what I meant is to draw perpendicular. What do I mean by perpendicular? Perpendicular means 90 degree. 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means make it the same. You can draw like this. If you feel that this one, oh, too long or what, right? Let's say in exam, you feel that it's a bit messy. The line here is too long, so you can get your eraser to erase a bit. It's okay one. Okay or not? Yeah, eraser. Erase a bit, then it looks like neat. Got what I mean? Okay, let's say, for example, same thing here. Yeah, so you make it more than half. More than half. You cannot get less than half, less than half, you cannot join one. Cannot? Wallace, eyes on my whiteboard, please. So if you don't want to draw like this, you can make it just part of the arc. Like last week, I mentioned part of the arc like that. One here. And sorry, you go down here. Another one. You don't want to draw like this. Okay? Can shift here. Wait, till the end there. And then you can draw to make sure they cross. See that? If they are not crossing, you can redraw. Okay, sometimes it's very hard for me to control. Okay, then you can draw like this. If you don't want to draw this, the longer arc like that, you can draw the cross like this. Is the same. Okay, yeah? So for perpendicular bisector, like what I said, you get this to join like that. Then last week, I already mentioned no free hand. What do I mean by no free hand? But I still mark one of the students. One of the students, you don't try to trick me. I have been teaching for so many years. I know your diagram, whether you draw with compasses or not. Got one student simply show like this. Simply show like this, then get free hand to draw like that for me. No, I will know. You think that I'm 3 years old. Yeah, you want to treat me like this? No, you cannot draw with the free hand. Okay or not? You must show the proper arc. Is that clear? Okay, now this we call it what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means both the same length. Plus, if I didn't say bisector, listen to me. If I didn't use the word bisector, I just want you to draw perpendicular line only. For example, there's a line. I want you to draw a perpendicular line that passes through A. A perpendicular line. I didn't say bisector. Again, what is perpendicular? 90 degree. Okay, right angle. So it passes through any point. You do it like this. Listen to me. Later I'm going to explain to you again. Okay. So you get your compasses, you place here. You place here, okay? So means distance, no need to copy yet. Later I'll ask you to draw. You can have, okay, maybe a bit closer or far away is okay one. As long as you get 2 arcs from here. I repeat. The question says, draw a perpendicular line through A. So the way is like this. You place at A, you get 2 arcs. No need to be so big or so, okay, sorry. Wait, okay, and you draw 1 arc here, and then shift it to get another arc here. You need these 2 arcs. From these 2 arcs, you can draw another cross on top or below. No need to have 2, 1 enough. Let's say why? Why I say 1 enough? Because you have this point already. So there's no need for you to draw both. You just need to draw. Okay, later I show you another screen by using my head, just direct because like that, a bit hard for me to adjust. Okay, adjust it. You get more than half. So you draw like just now the arc. 1 arc here. Okay, so you get another point here, can you see? Then you get another arc. See that? Now, so this one, you can draw on top or below is okay one. Because what I need to get the 90 degree, I need these 2 points only. Then this and this to join. Yeah, this and this to join. So, meaning that, okay, then I draw from here and here. Wait, now the line is too thick. Okay, this and this. This one we call perpendicular line only. No bisector. Okay, no bisector. Meaning that, class, listen to me again. If question asks you to draw any, now you look at my questions for number 2. Sorry, number 3. All of you get ready, number 3. Can you see perpendicular only? To the line PQ passes through R. Cannot? Now here is quite small. Same like what I said, you copy this line on your exercise book. Okay, just draw one line of PQ. Not to be so big or so small. Point your P then Q. This one given one in exam. Then mark one R here. Okay, copy this on your exercise book. Because if you draw direct from here, it's quite limited, the space, okay? The space is limited. So I want you to recopy on your exercise book. Okay, listen to me first. Place your compasses at R. The point that you want to draw passes through 90 degrees from R. So you adjust your compasses to reach the line. Let's say maybe you draw the line that is too short. You can make it a bit longer. It's okay one. What I meant, class, if your line that you have drawn, maybe the compasses can't reach the line, okay? If can't reach the line, doesn't matter. You can elongate, make it longer. Elongate the line is okay one. You understand what I mean? You boleh buat. perpanjangkan, make it longer. Yeah, or without that longer pun boleh. It's okay as long as it cross the line. Yeah. Okay, class, place your compasses at R. Adjust your compasses to reach the line. If not, let's say your compasses only can reach here. Let's say your compasses only can reach here, so you make it this one longer a bit, it's okay one. You understand what I mean? Okay? So draw one arc here. Another arc here. One arc here, another arc. If you want to combine pun boleh, like what I said last week, you want to combine like that pun boleh. You got what I mean? You got what I mean in the class? You want to combine like that pun boleh. Or, just now I said, if you don't want to combine, means you draw the two arc like that. One here, one here. Can I? Or combine is okay one. Can also. You got what I mean? You know why? Why I say can? Because what we need is these 2 points. Then here and here. We need these two to draw only, okay? You got what I mean? I have drawn this arc. No free hand, please. Have you drawn this arc? Any of you didn't bring your compasses? Okay, so place here. Place the point. Wait, so because I use this one a bit hard for me. Yeah, not this one, Here, okay? Cross one, can you see that? So, same, more than half. Not to be so small, more than half. Of course, no need to so big. No need to make it so big. Agak-agak sudah lah, ya. Okay. Draw one arc here. Because we got a point here already, we don't draw to the right. And shift your compasses here. Another arc. And follow? Okay, now all of you? Place your compasses here, draw one arc. Another point here, draw another arc. And follow all of you? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Zhixian and Lucas, is it okay? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay.
可以，
Okay, huh? This and this class. See, wait. What I need is this and this. See these two? We have already here. That's why I draw to the left. Okay, join them. Just to explain, perpendicular only, no bisector. Perpendicular only, no bisector. Whenever the question said passes through which point, you place your compasses at that point and draw the two arcs. Cannot? What are you doing now? Perpendicular line. What is a perpendicular line? 90-degree line, okay? Vertical line, we call it vertical line. Got it, class? Okay, yeah? Okay, done with this? Then copy your 3B. Your B is like that one, right? See your 3B, this one write down 3A, 3B. So same, your P is over here. Q. And the R is here. I think the R a bit up, right? R is over here. In answer, you can draw direct from the question there. It's just that my space that given is too small. Okay, Anna? Yeah? Okay. Know how to draw? Same. Place at R. Just it. You get the 2R from the line. One from here. You can draw like this, pun boleh. What I need, same like just now, these 2 points, okay? To draw the cross here. Get the compasses, place at here and here to draw the cross like just now, exactly like this. Okay, same like just now. Join from here. Make sure it cross everything, the arc that you have drawn, then just tell 90 degree. Okay, done? For you that have done, for waiting for those that not yet, you copy question 4 on your foolscap paper also, on your exercise book. And then delete. Huh? I mean question 3 done and all of it? Done, huh? Zushin and Lucas, question 3 done, Anna?
Okay.
Anna, Lucas, what about you? Done or still?
Teacher, not done. I'm
Not done,
almost
huh?
done.
Okay.
Wow.
You know how to draw?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay. For you that have done, copy question 4 on your exercise book or the solution paper. Huh? Both A and B. Leave some space, huh? Too small, huh? Or you have to draw A first, then later you see the space, only you draw B. Boleh. Done, let me know, yeah? Lucas, what about
Okay.
you? Done or still? Any of you still? All done, huh? Okay, you done? Done, huh? Okay, Lucas, done or still?
Still almost. I still
Almost, yeah.
have the one
Hmm?
more art to do.
Sorry, again?
I still have to draw one more art.
You do not know how to draw the R, is it?
I know, but I still haven't draw finish.
Okay,
Because my
keep
sister
drawing.
keeps on coming and annoying me.
Mm. So Lucas, you know how to draw? Should be okay for me to delete, yeah? I get ready the other one for them, okay?
Okay.
Question 4A. The point that you want to draw is on the line. You notice or not? Just now question 3 is out of the line, right? The R is not on the line one, right? Now, the Q that you want to draw is on the line. On the line means, okay, you just point P, Q, and the line, sorry, the point that you want to draw the 90 degree, can you see now on the line? Hey, sorry, this one is R, right? Q. Q is here. Plus, you notice that this one on the line. Just like number 3 is out of the line one, right? The way is the same. Whether it's on the line, it's out of the line, the way is the same. Okay? Okay, Lucas, done, is it?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah. See on the line, right? You do the same thing. You place your compasses at this also. Then like just now, you make it the 2R. Okay? Or just direct like this. Class. You see here? Didn't reach the line, is it? If let's say you make it too big, didn't reach this line, right? I said doesn't matter. What do you need to do? If does not cut the line, yeah, you just make it longer. In long that it will do. You understand what I mean? Just make it longer, it's okay one. It doesn't cut the line. Okay? So same like just now, class. Make it these 2 points. Okay, I want to ask you one question, yeah? Just now remember, let's say the point is here. You draw the arc on top, right? If the point is here, you would make the cross below, right? So that they can join like this, is it? Okay, they can join like this one, right? But now, look at my questions. Sorry. Where should you draw? On top or below? Since this one on the line. If this one on the line, you want to draw on top or below, it's okay one. Yeah, on top or below is okay. Just need to draw one to join only. You got what I mean? Okay, so up to you, class. Now let's say you draw on top or below pun boleh. Make this point here. You want to draw on top or below? It's okay one, class. So I make it below. Then draw the cross. One here, one here. Wait, Remember, you are doing perpendicular line through a point. Okay, 呢？你頂學完了啦？沒有帶來是吧？嗯？為什麼沒有帶來呢？我交代2個星期哦。嗯？ Okay, class, can you see this point? And this, can you see another cross? Okay, so join them. Same, 90 degree. Okay, now class? Now at Q also you draw, can be here, can be down, it's okay, what? Draw the two arcs that I mentioned. Place here. This one can be drawn on top below, it's okay one, okay now? Yeah, because the point on the line. If on the line, you can draw on top or below. So do the same thing on these two. You can draw the cross on top or below pun boleh. So since this one I draw below, I draw one that on top for you, but it's not compulsory for you to follow my one, okay? Yeah, you want to draw on top pun boleh? Got it, class? It's not that it's a must to draw below or top. Can be one, okay? Yeah? So join these two. Perpendicular line that through certain point. You must have more practice at home. Okay, not? Yeah, the more you practice, the more you know how to draw. Okay, not? You just kind of follow my one or two questions, and after that you didn't do any practice. In exam, you might forget how you're going to do, yeah? Oh. Yeah. Okay, sorry for waiting. So can I say perpendicular? Perpendicular line. If perpendicular bisector, you place at PR like that to draw the center, okay? Next, can I delete class? What about you, Zixuan and Lucas? Done or still?
我
Done.
I said more than half what? Like class. 来，你坐下来，我跟你讲。Like what I told you just now. And one of the students showed me this. See here. See this one, huh? One of the students showed me this. Means what? I said more than half. If we didn't put more than half, you'll get this. Wait, huh? Okay, then one of the students showed me. I mentioned few times already. What you need to do, like eyes on my whiteboard, you might have this mistake also. 来子枫，看我做。For example, you draw like this, right? Then when you place at here, you can't get the same length like this. You must have more than half. Okay, not? If we didn't apply more than half, you see what you will get. Okay, nah? If you draw like this, one arc here, this is how you show me your answer. Then if you draw like that, how can? They can't meet. See that? Can't meet. If you keep drawing on top also, you see, they can't meet. Why? It's not long enough. You got what I mean, Zifeng? There? It's not long enough. So you can't get the answer. You can't get the cross. 明白了没有? So your answer is what? Not long enough. You must have more than half only they can cross. Got what I mean, all of you? This is why I said more than half. Okay, can I say all of you? Yes, huh? Okay, next. 明白了没有, Zifeng? Yes, huh? Okay, next. Yes, good. If you can't get, you show me, then you know your mistake, yeah? Okay, now plus. Should I have done all of you? Remember the way. We're getting harder, yeah? Okay, number 4. Oh, sorry, number 4 done, right? Number 5. All of you, eyes on my whiteboard. Can you see parallel line? Parallel line, right? So for number 5 also, I want you to copy these two on your exercise book. Leave some space, not too close, yeah? Copy these two. With this line on your exercise book. Of course, it's not so small, right? So small is hard for you to draw. Moderate will do. Okay, then I copy this. Copy on the exercise book, It's okay. Agak-agak sahaja the size. Because in exam, ready-made everything. The space is big enough for you to draw, okay? Yeah? What do you mean by parallel line? You know parallel? Garis lari in Malay. Why is it 平行线? Some of the school teacher, okay, might ask you to use ruler, just ruler without compasses to draw. But most in the exam, you're not allowed to use just ruler. They are asked you to construct with the compasses. So listen to me first. Parallel line means like this one, like that, right? So means, excuse me for a while. Oh. Okay, sorry, class. Parallel line means like this, huh? Okay, we shift it parallelly here. And then we get one line. Here not? Yeah, parallelly to get one line. And then sometimes your school teacher will teach you to use this one this way. Because if you shift with your free hand, you might get line that is not that parallel. So they'll place one like this, then place it, then you push along this line. See, we push along this line to get parallel along here. Because sometimes you might sengit, right? Okay, not? You might sengit then the line that is not parallel. You got what I mean? But like what I said, right? Most in the exam, they will ask you to use compasses to draw. So I'm going to teach you compasses. If ruler, just push only with one side like that, okay? Like compasses like that, huh? First of all, have you copied this? Yes, huh? Okay. Measure X, Y. Measure the XY that you have drawn. All of you follow the measure XY that you have drawn. Measure? All of you? Yes, huh? Shift it to Z. Draw one R. Shift it to Z, draw one R, done. Okay, remember the way you know. What I can do is I teach you, I explain to you. Your responsibility is to learn and to memorize, okay? Then go back, keep practicing. You know? Measure X, Y ready? Done, Anna? Okay, next, shift it to X, Z. Shift it to X, Z. Okay, ready? So, get the same thing from Y. And you draw the R. First of all, X, Y, then XZ. Can got it, class? Wait, a bit longer I draw. Done? Then, this and this can join already. You will get a parallel line. Maybe you ask me how long should I draw? It's okay, one question didn't mention how long is it. Then just to label with a parallel line. Okay? Got it? It's quite easy, right? Actually, a few ways to draw. I chose the easiest one to teach you all. The easiest one to teach you all to get a parallel line. Can follow my explanation? Okay, then find some space to copy your B. Find some space, copy the B, yeah? Từ Xuyên okay mà? Cân mà? Okay, no need for me to keep asking one by one. Is it okay? If you couldn't get, you raise your hand or you call me, you say that teacher can please repeat, okay, I will repeat, yeah? Yeah. First of all, measure what class? Measure what? XY, yes, good. Measure your XY. Place at where? After you measure XY, place your compasses at where? Z, yes. Place your compasses at Z. You can go up there or down here is okay one. Draw up or down is okay one, yeah? Then draw one arc. Just now XY, right? Followed by X. XY you have drawn, followed by X what? Yes, X, Z. I change color, you no need to apply the color line, yeah? I just to show you, okay? Measure the X, Z. Then place your compasses at where? Yes, good, Y. Then, then draw another R. X, Y, X, Z. Okay, X, Y, X, Z. 讲画过。过去呀、你没过来这里呀、不用紧的，你不用画过，你过来这里也不用紧，一样长也可以的。Okay, class? Yes, good questions. Like Wallace asked me, should I draw the line longer? Longer? It's okay. You didn't draw longer pun tak apa, one. You want to draw the same length. You want to draw over here. It's okay, one. 再没有长过也不用紧，短也不用紧。But this arc you must show. The arc you must show, okay? You don't want to draw so long, then you can make it like this. It's okay, one. 明白了没有啊？ Okay. There. Can draw the line already, class? Then you can make it like this. Sorry, it's too thick, huh? What else you can, you can draw from here to here also can. Shorter a bit also can. But because of this, the arc you show 啦，可以呢？你不要这样长也不用紧的，你可以这边画下来也可以的。It's okay one. Okay, as long as you show the arc and then cross a line. Okay, got it? And then class, I don't want you to draw like this. Huh? Some of you, you have the arc already like this. But when you place the ruler, you place like that. No, cannot. Can you see that? It's a must to pass through this. Cannot leave space like that, Salah. It's wrong. Can you understand my explanation? That's why some of you, when I mark your paper, I put a cross. You know that is a mistake, okay? And then draw the parallel. This is the parallel symbol. Arrow symbol. You want to draw the two arrow pun boleh, eh? Same one. Okay, this is to represent the parallel symbol. Can you follow all
Teacher?
of it? Yes.
If the parallel symbol I draw it facing going downwards,
Yes,
it's
can
okay.
be. Yeah, can be up, can be down. It's okay one. Right, like Lucas asked me, can I draw going down? Yes. It's okay one. Up or down, right or left. Okay, now Lucas.
Okay. Okay, now class. That's why all your basic from Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. You don't say that. Like what my Form 3, one of the students asked me. I taught her to draw the plan and elevation. Not only that chapter. Okay, I don't like, or I can say that it's very how to say that, not in a manner to ask a question like that. Teacher, the chapter that you teach will come out in exam or not? Another chapter, teacher, this one will come out in exam or not? Then I just answer her, no. I just teach you for fun. Of course, what in a syllabus, I teach you for sure will come out in the exam, right? You don't keep on asking, teacher, will this come out in the exam or not? For sure in our syllabus, Okay, then she said that the teacher won't teach them that chapter. The teacher said it won't come out in the exam. That one is your teacher's problem. Maybe the teacher don't want to teach you that chapter, then she will not test you for the chapter. But what I ready to teach you all from the basic Form 1 until Form 5, we have all this to ask in the exam. Okay, got it? Okay, done for this, yeah, all of you? What do you call this? Parallel line. Okay, parallel line. Now, I'm going to teach you see question 6, ask about how many degree. Now look at the question 6. Can you see 60 degree? All of you? Can you see 60 degree? At where? Middle, read the middle. What is the middle here? Q, at Q. They might ask at Q or at P. So for using compasses class, you're able to draw all this. Later, I want to practice your all this just without protractor. You know that protractor is for you to draw all the angles, one, right, class? Right? But for protractor, without protractor, we are able to draw this degree. I show you how without protractor. But other than this, you can't use compasses. You must use protractor. In the exam, they will ask you to draw this by using what, see? A pair of compasses and a ruler. The question will say that using only, no protractor. So I will show you how. So for the beginning, I'll teach you 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay, you copy your ABC on your paper. I show you here. It's okay, I redraw. Okay, we go A first, okay now? Just a line. A line. At where? The question say Q, right? Q, okay. Sometimes the question might say Q or P. I'm going to show you 60 degree without protractor, okay? Get ready? Place at Q. Then the length agak-agak saja. No need to be so big or so small. Agak-agak. Not too big lah, of course, right? Okay lah, I think you make it more than half, like just now more than half, okay? Draw a semicircle. Draw ready? Semicircle, right? You have this length, right? Lena, sorry. Okay, with the length. Hold on, guys. Just a minute. Wallace, get my compasses for me for a while. That's okay. Right, okay, now, Wallace. Right, done, class? Next, place your compasses here. The art that you have drawn here. It's quite difficult for me to. You don't change the length, huh? Wait, now class, I have to change because I didn't use the apps here. Give me a few minutes, huh? But sometimes I can't adjust to the point that needed. Excuse me for a while, huh? I redraw mine one. Sorry, huh? Wait for a while. Okay, just now I draw a semicircle, right? So listen to me, class. You place at here. Place at here. Find the arc here. Don't change the length, huh? First of all, draw a semicircle. The length that you have drawn, you place at here. Okay? It depends on the line that you have drawn, then you draw one arc. Okay, done drawing? Okay, here. Come here. You're gonna get a tissue paper. Okay, listen to me. Come here. Come here. Okay, so you draw this line here. Drawn? Yeah. Then write down 60 degree. You check with your protractor glass. Confirm that you get the correct answer. Measure with your close it. Huh? Okay, can you see here? I got 60-degree class. This one I didn't use protractor, you notice, enough. But when I have drawn, you measure with a protractor and see, then you will get 60-degree. If you can't get 60-degree, for sure means you have drawn wrongly. See that? Okay, then I have proven. Can you see proven to show you 60-degree? Wait a bit. Can you see the 60-degree here? Okay, lah, just a bit now here. Understand the class? The way to draw. Exactly all of you? Okay, that's all. This is the way to draw 60-degree. Okay, one more for B. I copy B. Same, the line. B here. B is a bit like this, yeah? Okay. All at where? All at Q, yeah? Okay, so if you know, you can start to draw. If you're still not so confident yet, follow my instruction here. Place at Q. Draw what? Semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Shift your compasses to here. And draw one arc to the arc that you have drawn. See? There. Here now. Just 2 steps only. One semicircle. Another one, place your compasses at the point here to draw another arc on the first arc. The first arc, you put it at Q, okay? Draw a semicircle at Q. After that, shift your compasses to the line, to the point that cross intersection point, and draw another arc. Can follow? So, good. Then draw the line. And to tell this is 60-degree. Okay, prove to you again. Bit out, huh? Wait. My line seems to be a bit out. Oh, here I didn't. It's okay, just follow. Yeah, you measure and see because just now I didn't use this line to draw. Okay, another way, all of you. One more copy for C, then only I let you rest, yeah? Okay, I'll copy the C. I redraw this one because this one I measure is not that accurate. I have to show you the accurate one. Huh? Now I double check. Feel a bit out of shape, huh, my, you know? Yeah. Okay, next, get ready to see. Can I go see now? Yes, huh? The shape of C slang up to the left, huh? Like this, right? Okay. Hmm? Okay, again, place at where? Q, yes, huh? Place at Q. 什么？没有 C 呀？哦，some of you got. It's okay, follow mine 吗？你们没有 C 的咩？No C. No, it's okay, just follow 不用紧。Because I still got two sets that upside down already. It's okay, just follow 啊，不用紧。Place your compasses at Q. 你们跟着画就可以了，不用紧了啊。Draw a semicircle and place here.跟着画啊，it's okay. ，just follow the draw only. I. Okay, I'll go and delete. Sorry. So phone waiting and follow my screen 咯，不用紧哈。So sometimes I have problem of drawing this. I should follow. Wait, I change a bit. And shift it here to draw another arc. Okay, just join, yeah. So you get 60 degree. Okay, all of you know to draw already? 60 degree, yeah? Okay, if you have drawn or see, you can have a short break. Rest for a while.
Okay, get ready, all of you. Okay, copy these two on our exercise book for question 7. Hmm? Can I copy these two on the exercise book for question 7, class? Thank you, Kavya. Wait. I'm going to teach you angular bisector. See this word, class? Can you see angle bisector? Can you see angle bisector? Or angular bisector? Angle bisector and angular bisector are the same. 来，开始。Okay, what I want to teach you now, angular bisector. What do you mean by bisector just now? Remember bisector, the word? Make it two the same. Make it two the same. That one we call it bisector. Angle or angular bisector means we are going to change this angle to half. This angle to half, okay? I copy these two on your exercise book first. Copy these two, yeah, on the exercise book. Okay, ready, class? To draw angular bisector, ready, all of you? Lucas, are you there? I can't see you. Okay, Place your compasses at the vertex here. Here. At the vertex here, okay? Just roughly to make arc like this. Small, big is okay. See that? I want these 2 points. I repeat, draw somewhere here. Here. And one more. Sorry. It's quite hard for me to control the one here. Because I must hold this one only I can draw. One here, okay?
Can I? Even you can draw to the semicircle, it's okay one. You can draw, not semicircle lah, an arc like that is okay one. Okay, got it, class?
Sorry, let me redraw. The space there is so hard for me to draw. Excuse me, sorry for that.
Okay, got it, class? Then at these 2 points, here, here, and here. Okay, you bring it down somewhere. Draw the 2 arcs. One here, another one here. See these two, right? Just now one here, another one here. Okay, the 2 points. Then you draw a line. Means you separate these to 2 angles already. The 2 angles that the same. Let's say here 60, right? You draw 30, 30. This is what we say angle bisector. Okay, now? Yeah? That we say that angle bisector. Okay, can follow, class? Next, another one. So another one, okay, the same thing. Okay, now all of you, what do you call this? Angle bisector. The 2 angles that are the same, huh? Okay, same, place here. So somewhere here, I draw the 2 arcs. Can be small, can be big like this. If you want to draw this big, then you can adjust it to a bit smaller. It's okay one. Okay, a bit smaller pun boleh, but not too small lah, of course, okay nah. Then place here. One arc. And here, another arc. Okay? What we learn here is angular bisector. Why I want to teach you to draw angular bisector? Because later I'm going to teach you 60 degree. You know 60 degree already just now, right? Half of 60? 30. Half of 30? 15. Half of 15? 7.5. We draw half like that. To make it angular bisector. Okay, this one we call it what again? Angular bisector. Got this up. Okay. And this one we call it angular bisector. Got the class? Okay, next. Y'all look at the following questions. Yeah, you learn this in Form 1. Even some of my Form 2 students, some that just joined my class 1, I do not know what happened to them. They do not know how to draw all this. Even my Form 3 students, some of them, they do not know how to start to draw all this. That's why basic is very important for y'all, okay? Okay, look at question A. I want to draw all this group. Have y'all finished number 7? How many of y'all not yet?
What about Zhixian and Lucas? Done or still? Done,
Uh,
okay. Now, all the basic I have learned, right? Listen to me, class. I'm going to teach you 60°. It's not going to teach, it's already learned, right? Later, 60°, I'm going to teach you to draw 30°. Okay? That's how you learn 60, right? And then later on from 60, you draw the arc like that to get 30. Okay, not? And then from 30, half of 30, you get what? 15. You might ask to draw 7.5, but seldom this one. Okay, hold on, wait. The group of 60, 30, half of 30, 7.5 came out before, but not so frequent. Okay, double of 60, 120. I'm going to teach you 90 also. Half of 90, half, 45. Half of 45, 22.5. Okay, now double of 90 is 180, 180 tak payah lah, 180 is a straight line. Okay, listen, I'm going to teach you to draw this, and then you might ask to draw what, class? Combine. Combine. Combine means 90 and 60, 150. Can you see? Maybe 120 and 45, 165. Maybe 90 and 15, you asked to draw 105. See or not? All this can be asked. Okay, now all this can be asked. Combine, one can be asked. So only this group that can use compasses to draw. The rest like 13, 27, all this, no compasses one. That one is protractor one. Okay, group of 60, group of 90, and also the combine. The combine. Still have any combine you can see from here, class? Still have any combine? 15 and? Can you see the combine of 15 and 60? 15 and 60 is what? That's 75. See that? Yeah, you can ask to draw like this. 120 and 120 and 15. 120 and 15, is it 135? All this can be asked. So I'm going to teach you this one now. Okay? All of you, ready? I will show you another screen, okay? Because it's quite hard for me to control via this one. I'm not sure whether it's clear enough or not. If it's not clear enough, only I shift it back to this screen, okay, Anna class? Yeah, I get ready. For you that join online, you tell me whether it's clear enough or not. Then for you that join physical, you let me know whether you can see clearly or not, just for a while. Wait, so that's why I didn't know. Okay, wait for a while.
Okay, I'm sorry for waiting.
I just show you, okay, can see, okay, I can see clearly, yeah.
I'm going to start with, okay, can you see 8A, 15, B, 30, C, 45, all this, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Hmm?
I can see it. It's very
No, I
blurry.
haven't drawn yet.
Oh, okay.
I haven't drawn yet, okay, wait, I haven't drawn yet. So I'm not sure whether you can see that. If can't, only I change to another screen, just for a while. Not yet drawn, not yet drawn, don't worry. Class, I didn't follow number 8A or B or C like that. Okay, I didn't follow ABC. You just just label the 60, 30 like that. Okay, I teach you the group of 60 first. I ready, yeah? Ready the group of 60. Okay, just start with any line. I draw one line. Okay, Lucas, can you see that?
Yes, can see.
Okay, any line? What about you? Can see? Any line? Draw one point here. I'm going to show you 60-degree like this, huh? Okay, place here. Draw one semicircle, or not really the semicircle pun boleh. Can see all of you? 子轩能看到吗？子轩？
可以，
对呀。Okay, you all can see? Because easier for me to use this one. Just now that one I have to control with my the cursor, the mouse there is quite difficult for me. Okay, have you drawn with this length? Any length, okay? Any length. Done all this? Any length is okay one, huh? We are learning 60-degree, as you have learned just now. Place here with the same length. Don't change the length. Okay? Don't change this length, okay? Same. Draw the arc here. Done drawing? Any of you that want me to repeat? If yes, you let me know, okay? Okay, now, place your ruler here. Make sure you place it correctly. Draw the line. Okay, that 60-degree, like just how I said. Just how you have learned, remember? Here now, just to prove to you. You can use your protractor to measure and see whether you draw it correctly or not. That 60-degree. Here now, this is to prove to get 60-degree. Got it, class? Okay, now all of you. Done with that? Okay, one more time. Exactly the same. One more, exactly the same. Wait, my line already out. Okay, exactly the same.
You know 60, right? Just now. Okay, 60, right? My eyes on my screen for a while. All of you, see here. 60, right? 60, yeah? Here, another 60. So you get 120 here. And we have done 120. Okay, don't worry me. Just now you place here 60, right? It's one a bit loose. You place here 60, another 60 to draw. Then 60 and 60, 120. Oh, the second one. The second one also have to draw because the first one I teach you is 60. The second one I teach you 120. You draw both. Draw both, huh? Okay. Okay, now I've drawn 60 and 120 already. All of you? All of, okay, sorry. Okay, actually in exam, you know how to draw 60? You know how to draw 120 already, all of you? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Actually this one you see. Class, see this one. In exam, you can do like this. In exam, let's say you know how to draw this 60, right? So let's say you know how to draw this 60. You can show this one is 120. Same. 60 and 120, is it supplementary angle? Yeah, 120. Maksud saya in exam, what I meant in exam, if question say 120, you want to draw like this? Yes, can be. Or you do like this. This one no need, this one no need to copy. Just see my explanation here. In exam, let's say, oh, question said draw 120 degrees. So you draw the 60. Okay, you know this one 60, right? See? So, but question said 120. Then you make it like this. Then you tell here 60. But question wants 120, then you label here 120. Done. It's the same. You can draw 2 times or you just draw 1 time, then you tell 120 here. Okay, got it? This is the way how you draw 60 and 120. Can understand all of you? One more time to show you this one. You don't need to draw, just see mine one again. Even you can place here. Just now I place corner there, right? Just now I place at the corner, is it? Same, you can place center. Draw the semicircle. At here. Okay, 60 is the same. Okay? So now 60 and 120 already. Okay, one more, draw another 60 for me. Right, now draw another 60, up to you how? I draw one angle 60 for me now. Separate, separate. One more time, 60. Now, if you know 60 class, you don't want to draw until semicircle, it's okay one. I need this up only, okay? Sixty right here. You know 60 already, class? But now I want 30. I want 30. So with these two, this one 60, right? Okay. Here, remember angular bisector? Remember just an angular bisector? Or maybe just say, oh teacher, I have drawn this line. It's okay. You have drawn this line, it's okay. 60, right? Just now you have drawn this line. But you know that it's not 60, you draw slightly only. With these two, you draw the arc here. Half of 60? 30 there. Angular bisector, you tell that this is 30. Done. Okay or not? You know what I mean? Angular bisector. You draw the 60, get these two. I look, see here. That's why I know 60 already. Yeah, so you place here, one arc. Here, another arc. Center, angular bisector, you get 30 degree. Okay, now, all of you? Let's say I want you to draw 15. You know how to draw already? 15. Half of 30, 15. So see my one again, okay? And again, see, Okay, 60, right? 60, right? Okay, look at all my steps first. Then later only you draw scalicles, yeah? These two. These two you get what? What do you get this? 30, right? But question didn't say 30. I just draw one mark. 60, 30. Can you see these two? Half of 30, 15. 15. Okay? Like try to draw 15 and see. Yeah, you have to draw 15 because the question there stated 15 also. Then don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to draw 7.5 already. Because you know the way. Because the question there got 15, got 30, got 60. And look, seems like you're not so sure. Listen to me. You know how to draw 60, look? Okay, look at my step again. For you that not so sure, you can place middle. You can place here pun boleh. 60 is like this, look. Any length. Any length. Any length. Okay? Here. 60. So if you draw with a ruler like that, 60, okay? Can you see these two? 60, right? Make use of these two, look. You draw the cross here. This one is 30. Okay? Understand? Okay, yeah? And then can you see these two? So you make half of it. See? Half of it. This will make 30. 30 here. Okay? Here now, all of you. Know how to draw 60, 120, 30, and 15 already? So from 60 to 30, we call it angular or angle bisector. Angle bisector. Okay, now. So let's say you want to draw 7.5 there by using these two. You get the cross, then you get 7.5. Okay, now it's just that simple. Okay, so I teach you until here today. Next week only I'll teach you the 90 one. After 90, I'll teach you the combined one. Okay, now combined one, got the tactic one to draw, don't worry. Looks like hard, but it's not hard. I will teach you the way, the easiest way. So if you haven't finished drawing, okay, you can go back and complete, or
60, 30, 120, and 15. Have done one, place on my table. And for you that join online, can send to my WhatsApp, okay? Okay, until here today, Dalam Talib. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.